Today we have a RCA ColorTrak XS stereo commercial skip. It's pretty much bottom of the barrel, 27-inch set. This is from November 1997. Cool. It's my third birthday. Made in Mexico, CTC 185 AB. Here's the model number, F27242GY. Looking around at these online, and I saw a video a guy posted, and it looks pretty good. He was using a crappy RCA converter box that doesn't look so great, and it still looks pretty good. It is gray, not cray. He described it as a 36-inch, and I was like, oh, I don't have the means to move it, but he thought this was 36, and it's not, which is fine. No remote. So let's take the back off the set. Oh, this will be replacing the Sanyo, hopefully. NTC plug on it. Never seen one of those before. It feels of good quality. It's nice and rubbery. And these RCA and GE sets, you have easy access to the screen and focus control. There would be a cable tie type thing right there. I have no idea what those pegs are for. Anyway, I will set the tripod up and we'll get the back off the set. I think this has the same tube that JVC had. Wow, this isn't that bad. Wow, look at that. Oh, the speakers are small. Usually they're a bit wider, which, you know, it doesn't matter at all. Nice. Yeah, not a whole lot of dust. Yeah, she didn't want anything for it. She said if I just wanted it for the precious metals. No, let's start over. She said I could have it, but she said if I wanted the precious metals, I'd have to help remove a hutch from one location to the other, and I'd be compensated with gas money. But I'm not going to gut this for metals. Yeah, CTC 185 AB. Not a whole lot of dust. It's linty dust. Got Samsung speakers. Oh, speaking of that video I mentioned, sounded pretty decent. Oh, the tube label. I think this is the same one that was in that JVC I had. The thing was mint. Corners weren't even blurry. These get blurry corners. These are really cheap tubes. Cheap set, RF only. There's like spots of grease or something. Ew. Huh. Oh, here's a photo of it. It looks like it needs to be degaussed. Ew, look at that. Huh. See how it gets set back up on the tripod. We'll blow it out. Gotta ask people for these because they just sit around because people don't know what the people want them. So yeah, I got this one for free. As previously mentioned. Some filth right there. Hopefully this will have a good picture. I want it to replace the Sanyo. TV upgrade like it's 1997. So that'll be pretty cool. Okay, let's plug it in and turn it on. I already know it works. Looked like it needs a good degaussing. Corners look kind of weird in the photo. Prongs are bent. That's nice. Pop. Okay. Click. Speaker sound. Not tinny. There's full sound. Ooh. Hasn't been used in a while. Yeah, nice. Nice-ish sound. It's not audiophile quality, but it's good. Okay, I'm satisfied. So, stay tuned for part 2.